Hey there, Stephanie Janiga with Janiga Group Home Sales. So I just wanted to reach out to you guys just for a little summertime tip since we're finally getting into summertime and it's warming up a little bit. How can you spruce up your backyard patio or your deck to make it just a little bit more inviting? So just a couple thoughts for you. One, we're in Michigan at least, so you want to find some furniture that can handle the cold weather a little bit, like wicker furniture or resin or wrought iron furniture is really good for cold weather months. And the nice thing too is you don't have to keep cushions out there all winter long or all year long. It still looks good without the cushions. But if you can throw a pop of color out there, it's gonna really make things look a little bit better. Also, if you can, we say soften the hard spaces. So if you've got a brick wall, consider maybe a piece of artwork up there. Even the flooring, you might have a cement patio or Trex deck or something like that, but you can throw like an outdoor summertime rug out there that's going to really kind of soften up that space. Maybe some throw pillows and maybe some lanterns too. So also think of it as like the time of day. You don't want to just decorate for daytime stuff, you want to decorate for the evening as well. So you could have some different lights or lanterns out there that are really going to add to the ambiance of it. So just throw your own little touch in there. It's going to add a punch of color, it's going to add some fun to your backyard, and it also adds a little bit of value to your house too by making it an extra entertaining area. So hope these tips helped you out. Give us a call if we can help you with anything. 888-98-HOMES.